What's up, guys? Welcome back to Static Works. Today, I'm gonna be reviewing.
I hate you. I hate you. I'm gonna glue it down. I don't give a fuck.
So today, I'm gonna be reviewing a 2004 Nissan 350Z. So this Z is for my buddy Flowers. If you guys don't know who he is, his name's Jose. So obnoxious. So if you can barely hear me, it's because it's fucking straight pipe. So starting off with the engine mods, it has pretty much a basic bolt-on upgrade. So it's gonna have the MotorDyne Plenum spacer. It's gonna have a Jim Wolf intake, a short ram, and it's gonna have DC headers. And from the headers, it goes back to Invidia test pipes, and then it goes back to titanium exhaust, as people like to say it, Tomei. But it does not have a canister because he did buy it used off a car who ripped it off. So this car is sitting on Wed cranes. The size of the front are 18 by 10 and the rear are 18 by 11. And it's sitting on K-Sport suspension and it's pretty fucking low, as you can see. But honestly, after driving it, it does drive really smooth for how low it is, and it's not even that bumpy. Like at all, dude. Like it does really fucking good. Fuck, dude. That shit's so obnoxious.
Talking about my welded.
So if you guys hear that noise, he is sitting on a welded diff. He did it the smart way though, so he ended up buying an actual diff that was welded already, so he can always go back to his other diff. Looking at the exterior, it is not actually painted. It is wrapped in 3M and I forgot the color. No. Atomic blue or teal? Teal. Fuck. Alright, so it's atomic teal. And it's honestly a really nice color. It makes it pop a lot. And it makes it, the color is kind of like, I don't know, for some reason it looks like an OEM color.
Think so?
Yeah.
Think it goes with the car?
Yeah, like it just goes with the car like if it was an OEM color. So the side skirts, they are aftermarket. So he's rocking Ings, side skirts, a rear lip, and a rear wing. If you really want to call it a wing, it's more like a lip. So the clutch is a lot different from my BMW. There's like literally no travel on it, and he is rocking a stage 2 clutch, so it was hard to get used to. And if you guys asking what clutch he's running, eBay, that's right. eBay sells some good parts in eBay clutch. XTD for the win. Honestly, it does feel really good, and I can see that even the shifter itself is really short, even with this PBM shifter. So I feel like that's why Z guys have more driver mod than anyone else. It's not really them, it's the fucking car. So Flowers did originally have underglow on his car, but he's gonna end up giving it to me for my E46. Oof. And he does have lights under the dash, so they do glow on the footwell. Going back to suspension, he doesn't just have coilovers, he does have a Megan Racing bar in the back, and then he also has rear camber arms from Godspeed. A lot of people talk shit about Godspeed. Personally, I have the camber plates on the front of my car and they work really well. So I mean, it's all on the budget on what you want to do. And with this car, he pretty much doesn't really give a fuck, like I said earlier. So he just does what he wants and he doesn't care, you know, what people think about it.
Don't you dare. Don't you fucking dare, bro. I don't even know how much oil I have.
It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
So when he first got this car, it was around 80,000 miles and it was primered. He got it for around 5,200, which honestly, it's really good. Aside from obviously having to paint the car, it didn't have that much miles, and sadly it is a DE, so it is gonna it is gonna be burning oil. From what I've heard on DEs, it is the piston rings that go to shit. So if you ever want to do a rebuild, people recommend just going with aftermarket rings. I know everyone recommends OEM, but obviously the OEM design wasn't really that good, and it probably has to do with the clearance and just letting oil pass by when they wear down. If you're trying to not burn as much oil, if you do have a DE, it is recommended to get a catch can or any of those little mods that help save just very little, just so you don't burn as much oil, and it saves, you know, your engine life, because if you are burning oil, it's not really good for the engine. So you're going to be building up a lot of carbon and buildup inside your piston. It was originally wrapped brown, and pretty much I feel like he's the only person that made brown wrap look good. That's how I originally met him. And if you guys seen the top 5 things he hates, or top 10 whatever that he hates on his Z, we do have it on our channel. It was about a couple months ago, so we have it up there. But yeah, that's how his car looked originally. Flowers has owned this car for about 4 years, and he is part of Gentleman's. It's not Gentleman's Z as I originally thought. He had to like school me on that shit, but yes, it's Gentleman's. So if you guys looking to join, also you can hit him up or hit up the main guy from Gentleman's. I'll have the link down below as well. If you're hearing all those poppings, it's because Flowers did a little trick right now. We can't really talk about it on camera, but if you want to pay $20, dude, some people are doing that shit though.
Yeah, TD Flex. I paid TD Flex $20.
You paid him.
I paid him $20 fucking for this bullshit.
So this is where we're gonna end the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. This is my buddy Flowers. He wanted to drive with me because he doesn't let me drive his car by myself. He's a little scared. But thank you. If you guys want any car reviewed and you're local, hit me up. I am gonna start doing car reviews. This is my first one in a while, so I'm still getting the hang of it. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it. Like, subscribe, share, and we'll see you guys on the next one. You good?